the easy way to tell that you're dealing with hacks. When they leave garbage behind and you look at their workmanship. Putting cheap sealant over the existing sealant. Unfortunately, using a cinder block as a waterproofing cover is never a good idea. Protect your investment. Unauthorized modifications and repairs are a sure way to get your new roof warranty voided. I would hate to see this on your roof. Garbage left behind. And I mean, who does this? Metal sharp pieces do not belong on an EPDM roof. Look at it, all over the place. Anybody walks by and you have punctures, you have leaks. Just a bad idea.